wonderful students. This video is to give you a quick overview of how to complete the paraphrasing assignment for English 101. So what you're going to do in this particular assignment is you are going to paraphrase 3 quotes that you choose from reading number 1. What we're going to be doing in this assignment is showing your skills of paraphrasing, of how to use signal phrases, and how to use APA citations. So those are our 3 goals for this particular assignment. All right, let's take a look. The first thing that you're going to do in this assignment is you're going to review your annotations from reading number 1. So that means that you're just going to take a look and see what stood out to you. What are the areas from reading number 1 that really connected with you? The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to be reading the paraphrasing module and citing quotes and paraphrases in our course. So in week 1, these are the 2 pages that you'll be using. Take a look at paraphrasing. First, it tells you what paraphrasing is, and then it tells you exactly what you need to be able to do in a paraphrase. Then you're going to learn how to paraphrase a text. So here are some helpful tools that tell you exactly what you can do in order to create a paraphrase, okay? So I tell you all the time that we use the course in order to complete our assignments. This is what I'm looking for, is that you're using your information about what a paraphrase is and does, and then using the different techniques in order to create strong paraphrases. Then you will also use the page of citing quotes and paraphrases in order to complete this assignment. So what you have is how to use a signal phrase, because a signal phrase is required in this assignment. And it tells you all different kinds of techniques as to use a signal phrase. Then we will talk about this as we move forward in our writing. But this is our APA citation, okay? When I tell you that we're doing 3 things, paraphrasing and using different varieties of paraphrasing, showing those skills, showing how to use a signal phrase, which is right up here, and then showing how to use APA format. This is our APA format. So you can use this page in order to help you actually cite in that APA format. It's a really great way to have a quick reference. Now, of course, we know that in week 1, I've asked you to go through the APA resources page. So the citing quotes and paraphrases area is just a really quick view. So kind of just a cheat sheet almost. But you should have already gone through the APA resources, and we'll be using in-text citations. So the APA references guide and in-text citations might be really helpful to you as well for this assignment. Okay. Those are the tools that you need. Now, let's go back and see what we need to do. You're going to download the paraphrase worksheet. It's going to look like this. So what you'll do is you'll find 3 ideas in the article, 1, 2, 3 sentences, whatever you choose. You're going to use the correct APA citation for each of the quote. So what you'll do is you'll go into reading 1. You will directly copy and paste the quote right here, and make sure that you're using the APA citation with quotation marks. Make sure that you are also adding a signal phrase, okay, with that citation. So remember, I showed you where to find how to do that in our course. Make sure that you're using that tool to help you. Then what you're going to do is you're going to use the paraphrasing page, and you're going to use a variety of different ways or different methods to paraphrase whatever quote it is that you found, okay? So you're going to write right under this quote, you're going to use a signal phrase and an APA citation, and you're simply going to paraphrase the quote. You're going to do this 3 times. So at the end, what it looks like is this. I directly copied right from Skenazy's article. Okay, you're not using Skenazy, you're using reading number 1. But I directly copied right from the article. I added my signal phrase and I added my citation in APA. Then I used a signal phrase an APA citation, and I used a variety of methods in order to communicate the same meaning in my own words. Then what I'm going to do, once I'm all done, I'm going to do that 3 times. When I'm all done, I'm going to go ahead and save it and then upload my paraphrasing worksheet into this folder. Remember that this is the worksheet I'm looking for. And again, I'm looking for a variety of methods, correct APA citation, and a variety of signal phrases. Okay, everybody, that's how you're successful on the paraphrasing assignment. Good luck.